If you're here, you're probably interested in intermittent fasting and how it can help you lose weight. But what if I told you that some common mistakes might be holding you back from achieving your goals? In today's video, we're going to uncover the top errors people make with intermittent fasting, how these mistakes affect your weight loss journey, and most importantly, how you can avoid them to melt fat twice as fast. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to supercharge your intermittent fasting results. Let's dive right in with the first question. What are the common errors people make with intermittent fasting? A few months ago, I met Sarah, a busy mom of two who had been struggling with her weight for years. She decided to try intermittent fasting after hearing about its benefits. But after several weeks, she felt frustrated because she wasn't seeing the results she hoped for. Sarah was making some common mistakes that many beginners fall into. Let's explore what these mistakes are so you can avoid them. One of the biggest mistakes is not sticking to a consistent eating window. Sarah would sometimes eat at 10 a.m., other times at 1 p.m., and occasionally skip meals altogether. This inconsistency can confuse your body and disrupt the benefits of fasting. Another common error is overeating during the eating window. Sarah thought she could eat anything she wanted as long as it was within her eating window, but this led to consuming more calories than she needed. Lastly, not staying hydrated is a mistake many people make. Sarah often forgot to drink enough water, which left her feeling sluggish and hungry. So, how do these errors affect weight loss? Let's continue with Sarah's story to understand the impact. When Sarah didn't stick to a consistent eating window, her body couldn't establish a reliable fasting rhythm, which is crucial for optimizing fat burning. Overeating during her eating window meant she was consuming more calories than she was burning, negating the calorie deficit needed for weight loss. And by not staying hydrated, Sarah's metabolism slowed down, making it harder for her body to burn fat efficiently. These mistakes collectively stalled her weight loss progress and left her feeling demotivated. Now, let's talk about the correct practices to follow for effective intermittent fasting. This is where Sarah's story takes a positive turn. After identifying her mistakes, Sarah made some crucial changes. She set a consistent eating window from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and stuck to it religiously. This helped her body adapt to a regular fasting schedule. She also focused on eating nutrient-dense foods during her eating window, ensuring she got the right balance of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates without overeating. Additionally, Sarah made it a point to drink at least 2 liters of water daily, which kept her hydrated and helped her feel full longer. These changes made a significant difference. Within a few weeks, Sarah started seeing the results she had been hoping for. So, what can you take away from Sarah's story? Here are some actionable steps you can implement right away to avoid these common intermittent fasting mistakes and melt fat twice as fast. Set a consistent eating window. Choose an 8-hour window that works for you and stick to it every day. Consistency is key. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on balanced meals that include proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid the temptation to overeat just because it's within your eating window. Stay hydrated. Aim to drink at least 2 liters of water daily. Staying hydrated helps control hunger and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. By following these simple yet effective practices, you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals with intermittent fasting. Remember, it's all about consistency and making mindful choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on your health and wellness journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.